folks, I have a really cool tenor to show you today. This is number 833, and it's a very traditional instrument in its own way. It is spruce and mahogany, just like a lot of great 20th century American guitars. So the back and sides are some of that mahogany from a Tacoma boat shop that we saved last year. Very old Honduras mahogany, it's the good stuff. And then an Engelmann spruce top. So Engelmann is a high altitude spruce, and I got this from when I bought some of the wood from an estate from a classical guitar maker. And so one reason some people like Engelmann is it stays kind of like pure white or lighter colored long term, where Sitka spruce gets dark over time. But this is really nice old fine grained wood with some beautiful rays in it. So yeah, spruce and mahogany. It's got a mahogany neck. Same stuff from the boat shop. And then pistachio everywhere else with some rope binding. And it's got a low G and a K&K pickup. It's just feels great. It's light but solid, and it's like all the things I like about it. Yeah, it's great. So 833, ready to go, and this is the last instrument for August. So on to September. Cheers.